When I first visited the Advanced Hair Studio website, I was looking for serious solutions to hair thinning and patchy baldness caused by alopecia. The homepage instantly showcases their before and after gallery, which looks impressive but also raises the question of how real these transformations are. The booking process for a consultation is simple, and they offer both in-person and virtual options. I opted for the virtual consultation, and the specialist I spoke to was friendly but clearly trained to sell. The consultation included a digital scalp analysis, which seemed professional, but the actual breakdown of treatment options felt very sales-driven. They pushed several services, like advanced laser therapy, strand-by-strand cosmetic, and hair restoration surgery. Prices were not listed on the website, and during the consultation, the numbers quoted were significantly higher than what I expected. We're talking thousands of dollars, often with vague justifications. One thing I appreciated is that they didn't promise overnight miracles. They did say results take time, anywhere from 3 to 12 months depending on the treatment. However, this honesty was mixed with a heavy push to commit to a plan during the consultation itself. It's worth noting that there are testimonials on the site, but no clear links to third-party reviews or clinical studies backing the claims. Their support team is responsive, and the follow-up after my consultation included a few calls and emails. Again, more sales than support. The website has a sleek design and loads quickly on mobile, but there's a lack of transparent pricing, which would be very helpful for anyone researching options ahead of time. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. I also tested their booking system for a second opinion with another consultant, and the experience was slightly inconsistent. The second consultant gave slightly different treatment recommendations for the same issues I had described the first time. That threw me off a bit, because consistency in diagnosis is crucial, especially when you're about to spend thousands on treatment. Their strand-by-strand procedure looks promising, especially for people not ready for surgery. But again, it's costly and not a permanent fix. I didn't try their surgery, but the consultation gave me an idea of how invasive and expensive it would be. The laser therapy is the most non-invasive option they offer, but like most laser treatments for hair loss, the results vary and take a long time. Overall, Advanced Hair Studio offers a wide range of treatments with a professional-looking platform and decent customer support, but their aggressive sales tactics and high pricing are red flags. There's no doubt some people get real results, but it requires a serious financial commitment and trust in a system that doesn't provide enough medical transparency. If you're considering Advanced Hair Studio, make sure to do your own research, speak to multiple consultants, and never feel pressure to commit on the spot. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads.